Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Facebook page. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app and then switch to the page that we want to delete. And after switching to the page that we want to delete, all we have to do is to click our profile icon right here on the top right corner. And after clicking, click this settings icon right here or gear icon right here. And after clicking, scroll down until you see access and control right there. Just click access and control and then you will see the activation and deletion. Click that and then you will have two options, which is the activate page and delete page. Since we want to delete the page, we will use this one. So just click it and then click continue. And after that, you will be asked why you want to delete the page, and just choose whatever you like right there and then just click continue. And then Facebook will give you an option to download your information or transfer information and such that. And if you want to do that, so just do that and follow the steps. And then after that, you just click this continue right there and then just enter the password of your Facebook account. After that, just click continue right here and then click delete page, and then now it will now be removed from your Facebook account. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.